Today's Voice on Jiren. This is Joy. This is Wayne. You have a terrible cough. Did you go to the doctor's office? Yes. The doctor gave me some medicine and told me to drink a lot of water. Did the doctor tell you to stay at home and take it easy? Yes. He told me to rest because I caught a cold. If the doctor told you to rest, why did you come to school? I don't want to miss a lesson. Achoo! Your cold is contagious. You should go home instead of staying here and spreading your germs everywhere. Your health is more important than missing a lesson. Did you get a PCR test for COVID-19? No. You have better book a visit to a test site to have the test today. You are right. It is smart to be cautious. I hear that some schools overseas were closed almost a year. I know. Also, a lot of people were infected and have died. That's terrible. How can we stop it? No one knows. What we can do is to get a vaccine. Whenever we can, wear a face mask and wash hands frequently. Good idea. I am going to skip my friend's party on Friday. Yes, all we can do is staying at home and avoiding gatherings. Do you think that situation will become better after September? Nothing can be said for sure. There is no sure way of treating the disease. Too bad. Anyway, I got to go. Take care. Bye-bye. We hope you liked today's show. Please stay tuned for Voice of Jiren next Tuesday. Bye-bye.
Voice